Hello everyone, welcome to sqadia.com. Today the topic of my presentation is Axial Skeleton Development. I'm your presenter, Sannan Rehman. We'll be talking about axial skeleton development in 5 subsections. First of all, we'll take a look on the components and origin. In this subsection, we'll see the components of the axial skeleton, how does it develop embryologically, and the various processes of ossification. In the next subsection, we'll talk about skull, how skull is divided into neurocranium, the newborn skull, and the viscerocranium. In the third section, we'll talk about the clinical correlates of the skull, in which we'll see cranioschisis and craniosynostosis. Then we'll take a look at dwarfism, acromegaly, and microcephaly. In the fourth subsection, we'll be talking about the vertebral column. In this subsection, we'll talk about the individual vertebrae and the intervertebral discs, the vertebral column as a whole, and the clinical correlates. In the last subsection, we'll talk about ribs and sternum, how the development and the structure is formed, how various rib defects occur, and what are the various sternal defects. I hope you're excited to learn more about this topic. Keep watching sqadia.com.